Thank you for coming to help honor my grandmother and my mom for helping her. For those of you who didn't know, my grandma raised me through much of my childhood. She carried a responsibility that usually shared through a village. She was more than my grandma. She was also my mom when my mom couldn't be there. She was also my dad, my mentor, my protector, and my friend. She became everything I needed when I was a kid. Growing up, my grandma was tough on me because life was tough on her. Even though we didn't have a lot, she made sure I had everything I needed.
Oh, wow.
She gave me structure in a world where we didn't have much structure, and I thank her for that. I owe it to my grandma for raising me and helped shape me for the person I am today. When I left for the military, I was worried that, I'd leave my mom and my grandma alone, but she wasn't alone. My mom was not alone. She had a community, a really big community. Growing up, I thought our family was really small. It was just me, my mom, and my grandma growing up. But no, we have a big family. Family is more than just who you're born into, blood. Family is those who are there to support, especially during hard times like today.
Yes.
So I'd like to say thank you for the community, to the family, her community, which is also my community. Her family, our family. We couldn't do it without the family. So I also want to say thank you to all of you. Her work is done. Ours still continues. Please carry her memory and her strength